Welcome to 80 acres in Missouri, featuring rolling usable land, a large pond, hunting setups, a 4-bay shop, horse barn, pool, gazebo, and wide open views in every direction. This property combines outdoor living, recreation, and business potential on one tract. inside area is designed for everyday enjoyment. Outdoor improvements include a gazebo, above-ground pool, garden space, and room for future additions. Views can be enjoyed from both the main-level porch and the walkout basement patio. For hunting and recreation, the property is already equipped and ready to use. More than 6 metal deer stands, 2 deer blinds, and a hunting shack are already in place. The acreage supports regular deer and turkey activity throughout different sections of the land. The business and utility side of the property adds major flexibility. A 42 by 72 4-bay shop includes separate office space with heating and cooling potential. The building offers room for trucks, equipment, storage, and workspace for a variety of operations. An additional 40 by 40 barn with 4 stalls and pull-through access provides even more options for livestock, storage, or equipment use. The acreage also includes an artisanal well with an older holding tank that feeds a smaller pond on the property. The home includes 4 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms with a layout designed around space, storage, and practical daily living. Interior living areas connect directly to the outdoor spaces, making the property functional both inside and out. This Missouri property combines 80 acres of usable land, ponds, hunting improvements, shop space, barn facilities, and residential comfort into one complete setup. It offers a rare mix of land, recreation, and income potential, ready for its next owner.